For the love of Yaya. For the love of Yaya, yeah, yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. She gonna get me. I'm gonna be administrative leave. Yaya time. Yaya time. What you say? Yaya time. Yaya time. Okay, Yaya time. Hey everybody, what's going on, my peeps? How you doing today? How you doing today? Oh, shit. Yeah. Mm. Here we go, y'all. I can't say my peeps. I got to say Yaya's peeps. You okay with that? Okay, she over there in the cut, y'all. With her juicing self. But anyway, y'all, let's bow our heads and I'll let you know what we're doing, okay? Bow your head now. Amen. Amen. What we're doing today is a review of some flaming hot chips. We have Cheetos, Fritos, and what is this other one here? Munchies. And so we're going to do a review on that and let you know which one I like the best and which one, is the hottest and things and stuff. So, that's what we're going to do today. Okay? So, let's see. Let me try the.
Hey y'all.
She waving from the sideline, y'all. You see, I look over there at her waving from the sideline. Get in the game.
I was on this morning. You can tell them about the video this morning.
Yeah, she said, want me to remind y'all the video this morning. We was out at the beach this morning. Did a little walk. Her little legs got a little something on them this morning. The hips was hurting when she got back because she ain't been walking lately. So we did that this morning.
So go watch that video.
And so go watch that video. It was live and things. And then all the other videos that are out there as well. And give thumbs ups to them, please. Thank you. But anyway, get to this right here. And oh, by the way, too, also, don't forget the challenge is still out there. Yaya said, I think she said she's going to be putting it in the community post of when it was going to be ending for sure. So don't forget, put that intro out there of Yaya's time and tag Yaya in it. You can win your little change, okay? So I'm going to try these ones right here first. The Fritos, the Flaming Hot Barbecue. See what they're about. See that, y'all? You see that? Yeah, they hot looking. They. Suck on them a little bit. You can get the flames off of them. Okay.
One and show it to the camera. Or I have.
I told them about the bag.
I know what's good.
Knock that one down. They bring that. They look nice. They red. I can tell you that.
They got flavor. You have to stand it up.
Well, they're gonna fall on me. So y'all didn't want me to stand up so y'all could see them.
I was trying to show you how the props work. They don't lean on the props, they stay there. You get rid of mess up the whole ambiance.
I'm trying to get Yaya to get in the game, y'all. I'm trying to make her come over here to mess with this bag. And I can't get the bag to stand back up like she had it. The puff. So I'm on Jimmy rig it, y'all. I am. I'm on Jimmy rig it. Yeah. So said, I can taste the hotness. I taste that barbecue in there too. That throws it a little flavor in there. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
What they taste like, regular Fritos with a little flaming hot bite to them?
Yeah. They take the regular Fritos and then you got the flames in there with it. And then all of a sudden you get a hint of this barbecue. Wash the palate down a little bit with a little tea. It's raining here, y'all. It is pouring down rain here.
Barely made it this morning.
Barely made it out there. It started to rain on us on the way back, walking from the little walk. We all farther down on the beach, maybe a half a mile. And I told Carla, I said, we better start heading back. She's like, a little rain ain't gonna hurt you. I'm like, okay. Start pouring down rain like a little more than a little rain, you're gonna be hurt because you're gonna be soaking wet. I wasn't getting soaking wet. No, I was not doing it. If you wanna get wet, go on get wet, baby. Let's see what these here Cheetos is about here. You know, the Cheetos hottest ever flaming hot pepper puffs. See that? See what this is about. Look at me. Look at that. See them puffs? I don't know what I done got myself into with this. They look like little peppers too, y'all. Look at that. Look like a little pepper. Like a little pepper. Look like a little pepper.
Oh wow, that's cute. Oh, they might be hot.
Mm-hmm. The pepper, they got, yeah, it's like what it said. The pepper puff is hot. Mm-mm. 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 Oh no. No, 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 no. Ooh.
Is that hot?
Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Mm.
Is it like that scorpion Tabasco?
Yeah, it's got some, yeah. You know I can do a little hot. I love my Frank's hot sauce. You know I love that. And anything above that, it's burning. That is way above Frank's hot sauce. That's hotter than Louisiana hot sauce.
But remember when we did use that Tabasco sauce, scorpion, and we did some challenges on it? Is it stinging hot like that?
Yeah. My tongue is burning. I don't know if I could do the other bag. My tongue is burning, y'all. My tongue is burning. My tongue is burning. Woo wee. I gotta woo wee. Whew. Okay, let's see what these is about. Let's try to hurry up and get through this. And please don't forget to give me a like, y'all. Come on, give me a like. Please. Now, this right here got the Doritos in it, Cheetos in it, Sun Chips in it, and gold rolled gold pretzels in it. Okay, you see that? So we're gonna taste each one of these. We got the pepper puffs, and now we got a Cheeto right here. I know what the Cheetos is because I've done those. I've had these. I like the Cheetos. But that Cheeto is not like the regular Cheeto right there. Hold on now.
Not like those other Cheetos that we did a
No,
review
that's
on.
not like the regular Cheeto. The hot Cheeto. Why is this here hotter than the regular other hot Cheeto?
What does it say on the bag? What's it called? Flamin' hot.
Snack mix flaming hot. Doritos, Cheetos, Sun Chips, and Roll Gold. Pretzels. That Cheeto was hot. And now we've done some, hold on, let me get a better chip in here from Doritos. They got little bitty Doritos in here. Look at this. I thought they would have at least, the bigger size Doritos. They got the little bitty ones in here. And I've had some hot Doritos too. So let's see what these ones are like. These are hot. These are really hot because I taste what is that?
Like jalapeno?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
Now the mother ones, them pepper ones, is that like jalapeno peppers?
They look like little peppers, but they're not jalapeno.
But they didn't. The flavor wasn't, or the heat wasn't like that.
No, I tasted jalapeno.
It's like that other pepper stuff that people be.
I'm tasting jalapenos in this.
Oh.
These are hot.
Let's see, eat the pretzel.
So let me get a good pretzel here. See, now there's a pretzel. Let's see what they hot. Let's see what they like. The pretzel tastes like jalapenos. Y'all, these chips will be in this house for a long, long time. They probably go stale and probably throw them away. Because there is no way I'm eating this. No. Sure enough.
So, if you like hot, which one you choosing? Which one was the hottest?
The hottest? These ones right here.
Really? Hotter than the one in the middle?
The one in
The
the
pepper puff?
The pepper puff was hot, but these got that jalapeno hot peen taste to it. But no, the pepper puffs, these right here are the hottest. Flavor wise, I would go with this right here for flavor, because you get a little barbecue sauce in there with it. They need to do it. This right here has that jalapeno zing to it. It's hot, and the Cheetos in here seem like they're hotter than the other Cheetos in the bag to me.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah. If you love hot, you'll love all three of these. You will. The flavor on them, this is good. This gonna burn you. This gonna sting you. And that's all I can say on it. And I'm leaving it alone. I'm leaving it alone. So Friday, hope you have a good weekend. Stay safe out there. If it's snowing or the weather is bad where you're at, stay indoors unless it's really necessary for you to go out. And don't forget, time is the most precious commodity, as Yaya always says. So use your time wisely. And my mouth is on fire. And I'm licking my lips and it's making it worse. Because now my lips is burning. Whew. Y'all, I don't know why I do this, but it's for the love of Yaya. For the love of Yaya. For the love of Yaya. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. She gonna get me. I'm gonna be administrative leave. So anyway, y'all.
What time is it?
She see, I got it. She already putting in it. She already putting in the paperwork. Anyway, y'all have a good and blessed day. Y'all have a quote in the video for you. And it's Yaya time. Yaya time. What you say? Yaya time. Yaya time. Okay, Yaya time. Thanks for joining me today, y'all. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And to all of our new subscribers, thank you for joining me today. And to all of our Ride or Die subscribers, thank you for joining me today.
Yeah, I'll be back.
Deuces, as Yaya always says, and she'll be back soon. Yaya time.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.